you need to remember that. So I'm just giving it as a space, and then I am just using redirect to. Okay, so here in the redirect to, I am just trying to redirect to some other place. Okay, where I wanted to redirect this to student. Okay, so I'll just give it to student. I just wanted to redirect this particular to the student. Okay, I'll explain you what I said. And then next is path match. Path match is equal to, I need to just specify it as full. Sorry, path match colon. So I need to specify this as particular one as path. Cool. So one thing is, why is it given like this? Whenever I'm redirecting, means it is redirecting to a default page. So immediately when you click, directly it is going and opening that particular what you call it, a particular component. So now whenever you are using redirect, see that the one thing which you need to remember is the path should be empty, and when the path is empty, the path match should be full. So if under these two conditions, that is the path is empty and the path match is full, then only redirect will work. So it is path match is full means it is totally redirecting to another component. So why is that you are giving the path is equal to space? Because you don't have a particular path where exactly you are specifying. Click on that particular link or something, it is directly redirecting to this particular one. So that is the reason the path is not been specified. When the path is not specified, see that the path matches full. So path match is full in the sense the path where it is redirecting should be the correct match. So that is one thing which you need to remember. So whenever you are giving redirect, you are just specifying by default, it should be redirected to this particular URL. So in that case, path is not needed for you. What is path doing? Path is telling you which component you are redirecting it. So by default, you are telling that to redirect to this. That is the reason path is empty. When the path is empty, path match should be always full. So if you don't do this part of it, it will give you an error message. So now I'll just save this. So now so what I'll do is student, okay, app component. So app component is so where it has gone. So you can see that directly it is redirecting to student. So here the path component, what we have given here is redirect to student. So that is the path what we have given. So as soon as I just refresh it, it will directly it is redirecting to student. So in this case, you can just use redirecting routers. So is it clear? So yes, any query, still we have